What's up, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in the 2026 Volvo XC60 B5 Ultra. So far I've gotten videos on the B5 Plus, B5 Core, and T8 Ultra, and now I'm getting the B5 Ultra, and I think those are all the trim levels for now. I think there's also a black edition, but I'm waiting for that. So pretty standard XC60 interior in here, as you've seen in other videos. Beautiful R4 Sweden crystal gear shifter. You have the light interior color in this one, very beautiful, with beautiful white open pore wood trim, and I love this trim. It's so nice. You have a wireless charging tray over there. I love the, as I mentioned in the other ones I drove with this steering wheel, I love it. White with black, it's beautiful, and I love the white Volvo logo. Harman Kardon sound system, but I believe Bowers & Wilkins, you can get Bowers & Wilkins as an option, which I would definitely get because I love Bowers & Wilkins in Volvos. It's phenomenal. Drive modes, standard, off-road. I'm going to make this steering feel firm. And I'm also going to get more videos on the 2026 XC90, so stay tuned. I've been trying to prioritize the XC60 just because it's the new, it's a facelift and everyone wants to see that. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, ventilated seats, 360-degree camera system. And this exterior is finished in mulberry red, so it looks really good with this color combo. And let's go take a look at that. See, I love those speaker grills, it's beautiful. So mulberry red, it's like a wine color, looks really nice, and this has the black grille and black trim pieces. Beautiful Ultra wheels, Thor's Hammer daytime running lights, black mirror caps, B5 all-wheel drive badge on the back. Because it has the black trim, it looks a little sportier, which is cool. Here's the trunk. This is a very classy spec. 2026 XC60 B5 all-wheel drive mild hybrid Ultra. 2-liter turbocharged direct injected engine with 247 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Ultra will give you Harman Kardon premium sound. 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheel, tailored dashboard, crystal Geartronic gear shifter by Force, air purifier, 4-way power lumbar support, graphical head-up display, and pilot assist. This has a $750 climate package, front seat massage, which I'm going to turn on when I get inside, digital rear-view mirror with home link, protection package premier, 21-inch 5V spoke glossy black diamond cut wheels. Destination charge $12.95. Total suggested retail price is $64,930, and you have 26 miles per gallon combined, 23 city, 30 highway. Mulberry red exterior with a blonde perforated Napa interior. I've never seen mulberry red before. I wonder if it's a new color. So if you want to turn on your heated seats, you have to, or seat massage, you have to use the toggle switch on the side of the seat. I'm going to make start massage. Let's do program. Let's do lower back intensity and speed, and let's see how that does. So that's your camera mirror. Eats up the speed bump very well, very comfy suspension. The mild hybrid not only helps with fuel economy, but it'll give you a little bit of extra boost off the line for more seamless acceleration. And the seat massage only being a $600 add-on, I think that's well worth it. I would add it personally. That's a pretty cheap upgrade for massage seats. And obviously massaging seats don't really do a whole lot in cars, but it's better to have it if you have the option, if it's a reasonable price. I mean, it feels good. Like it's just like very minimal, because you don't want to have a full-on massage while driving. It's distracting, but it's like a nice rollers on your back, just to give you a little bit more comfort. And the seats are, this Nappa leather is very comfy, very soft. Gives great lateral support for your back and your thighs, so that's good. And especially if you're on the taller side, it's good to have comfort in seats. I have a tough time getting comfortable in most cars. I'm 6'2", and regardless if it's front seat or rear seat, I have really long legs, so it takes me some time to get comfortable because of the proportions of my body, right? So my legs are way longer than my upper body, so I like to have some thigh comfort. And yeah, nice lateral support. So this car definitely gives me that. That's why, like, most cloth seats and stuff like that don't really do it for me, because there's no lumbar support and there's no what do you call, there's no full body support is what I'm trying to say. So Volvo seats feel great, and they do a great job of cocooning the driver. And the interiors are very classy, very comfortable, luxurious, and quiet. And obviously Volvos are the safest cars on the road, so that's a big thing about Volvos. You'll always feel safe when you're in a Volvo. One car I really like is the XC60 Polestar engineered. I don't think they're making that anymore though, unfortunately. But I truly love that car, I think, and the V60 Polestar. They don't make the V60 Polestar anymore either. But I wish they did, because I love it. However, with the blonde interior, you do have to be a little careful because of the color of it. If you have dirty hands, if you don't wash your hands often, or like eat food and then drive, you're gonna get your steering wheel super oily, which is a big pet peeve of mine, is having dirty steering wheels and dirty interiors. And you have to be very careful, especially if you have children. You have to make sure you don't have like juice or grape juice or juices which will stain your leather, because white leather, while it is beautiful, you have to be very, very meticulous in taking care of it. So you need to be ready to take care of this interior. It's a really, really beautiful interior. Volvo knows how to make nice, luxurious cars. And while this interior design, I mean, obviously it's facelifted now, for the most part it's looked pretty similar over the years. But Volvo, this car's XC60 has been out since 2018, right? This generation, I mean. And the interior has remained very classy and simple and nice. Like, the best word to describe these Volvo interiors is nice. It's not super bold, it's not polarizing, it's just very elegant and nice. You can't go wrong with it. You can't have anything bad to say about it, because what is there bad to say? It's just, it gives you everything you want, and it just looks really classy. There's no badges everywhere and things like that. Volvos are just so understated, which is what I love about them. Man, is this mulberry red a beautiful color. This is a wonderful color choice to use if you get this car. Just want to show you guys a little menu real quick before we conclude this video. My phone hasn't been charging this whole time. You have to turn on wireless charging. Who knew? There we go. I had no idea. But overall, very beautiful XC60 B5 Ultra here. Mulberry red on blonde is beautiful. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo Cars in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own XC60.